Um, since bata pa po kasi ako, part na siya ng buhay ko. Sobrang dami niya pong binago sa akin. I was actually 10 years old back then when naging start po ako maging fan ng 1D and nasa college na ako. And I'm still the biggest fan of them kahit nagsosolo na po sila. Ganyan. Nag-i-inspire po sila lagi sa mga music nila kahit po hindi na sila whole band.
For me, sobrang importante, sobrang nagkaroon siya ng big impact, lalo na sa childhood ko. Like, actually, I'm 25, and at 13 years old, sila talaga yung first, or sila yung nag-introduce sa akin sa pop culture.
Kasi sila yung nag-heal nung batang ako, yung younger self ko, lahat sila. Yung joy and yung happiness na nangyari sa akin nung bata ko. Lahat, kanta nila, silang 5, as in, bumuo sa akin nung bata ako.
Parang ito na yung pinakang, as we say, parang closure of the relationship that we had with him. Even though as fans, he was very important in our lives.